Station, this is Houston. Are you ready for the event? JAXA, this is Mission Control Houston. Please call station for a voice check. Mission Control Houston, please call station for a voice check.
This is JAXA PAO. How do you hear me?
I read you loud and clear. よく聞こえます。
I can hear you very well. Mr. Furukawa, good evening. And this is Yanagida from the studio on the ground. Since this is the first communication event of the new year, and this is the first event, that's why, could you please share your aspiration for 2024?
はい、2024年、引き続き国際宇宙ステーションミッションを行ってそれを皆様にお伝えしたいです。
2024, therefore, I'd like to continue to implement my mission, and there are three major missions. One of them is, the microgravity, and using this special environment, we'd like to make the life on the Earth much better. And the second one is we'd like to explore the moon, and also would like to make a progress in the verification. And also number three is promotion of the participation of the private companies. Okay, there are so many missions going on, and regarding the ISS mission, Mr. Furukawa is going to tell us. And actually today, we are joined by three high school students, and they studied a lot as for the ISS mission, and I'd like you to compete very well in this crazy event. And regarding the Mr. Furukawa, well, actually from the space, from the orbit, I do like Mr. Furukawa to make the quiz, and also I do. Okay, let's get started. The first question. Actually, the first quiz should be his own status. Okay, Mr. Furukawa, please start.
私は高校時代あるスポーツに励んでおりました。それは一体どんなスポーツでしょうか?
Well, actually, during my high school years, I was dedicated to a particular sport. What sport was it? A, swimming, B, soccer, or C, baseball? Well, actually, the swimming, soccer, or baseball, and actually there is just 10 seconds of thinking time. Just 10 seconds. High school students and even viewers, please take part in that. What sport was he enjoying in those days? Okay. Actually, please raise your card, A, B, or C. Everybody raise the card of C. Baseball. Kikurin-san, what do you think? Well, I thought from the beginning, I was thinking that actually it must be C. And on the ground, C is correct. And Mr. Furukawa, please let us know the correct answer and also the explanation for that.
正解は C の野球です。宇宙飛行士は地上の管制官や技術者、そして
The correct answer is C, baseball. Actually, the astronauts must work together with the groundworks or crews in the ISS. Therefore, teamwork is quite important. Therefore, the teamwork that I learned through the baseball is well utilized in the current job. And you established the kind of mind for the teamwork, and everybody made a correct answer. Thank you very much. And actually, the viewers of the program, showed answer C.
Now, next question is question number 2. This is about the topic of daily lives of Astronaut Furukawa on the ISS. Please present the second question.
今回の ISS 滞在開始以降、私の身長、背の高さはどのくらい変わったでしょうか?
Since the start of my stay on the ISS this time, how much has my height changed? A, shrunk by 1 centimeter, B grew by 1 centimeter, or C grew by 3 centimeters? Yes, you have 10 seconds to think. In space, there is a change in the height. How much? 1 centimeter shrink or grow, or 3 centimeters? It's the end of the shrinking time. So every high school student, please raise your card simultaneously. Show them now. Oh, various answers. Only studio C answer C, and the two others B is 1 centimeter thick. What about Mr. Kikurin? My answer is C. I heard that some astronauts grew by 9 centimeters. So what's the answer? Mr. Furukawa, please give the answer and explain it.
正解は B 1センチ伸びたです。多くの宇宙飛行士は飛行前に比べ宇宙で
The correct answer is B, grew by 1 centimeter. Many astronauts grew their height 1 centimeter or 2 centimeters. This is because intervertical discs, or known as cartilage in the spine, expand because of the microgravity. But when we return to the gravity, the height will return to the normal. Yes, the correct is B, and Ms. Mikamo and Ms. Takamatsu, you got the correct answer. So there is a variation difference depending on the people. So please ignore and forget my wrong information of 9 centimeters. And with YouTube, we have a split answers of B and C.
And from the number 3 question, you know that it is about the missions in the ISS. And Mr. Furukawa, we will continue with question 3.
イントボール2は ISS 内を自由に飛び回り、写真や動画の撮影を行いますが、
Interval 2 can freely fly inside the ISS and take pictures and movies. Then, who is the operator of the Interval 2? A, the ground controller. B, the astronaut Furukawa. Or C, the other crew members on board. Well, Ms. Mikamo is paying attention to this. And as for the Interval 2, who is controlling that? The ground controller, be the astronaut Furukawa, or the other crew members on board. You have 10 seconds to think, and actually there is some hint. However, anyway, actually who is controlling it? Okay, 10 seconds has passed, and please raise your card at the same time. Well, actually, all of them had the same answer. Everybody thinks that's probably the ground operator. Actually, I thought that it should be A. Well, everybody is standing quite well. Probably this should be correct, all of them. Mr. Furukawa, please answer the correct answer.
正解は A 地上の管制官です。地上の管制官が操作するイントボールが
The correct answer is A, the ground controller, and the Interval 2 operated by ground controller flies around inside the ISS and takes pictures and videos, which helps reduce the workload and working hours of us astronauts. The functions of Interval 2 are continuously evolving. For example, Interval 2 can autonomously return to its docking station or recharge, and even with that target markers. And actually, I have conducted the on-orbit technology verification of it. Okay, then the correct answer was A, the ground stuff, and actually even from the ground. It can be controlled even from the ground. And the focus of the YouTube, we can see A, but some people thought that from the astronaut. Okay, let's go to the next one.
Yeah, let's move on to the question 4 about the fourth key robot programming challenges. Mr. Furukawa, please begin.
この競技会は挑戦者が作ったプログラムを希望の船内ドローンに送り
This competition held and challenges developing programs and send drone inside, and this is an international competition, and this is held by JAXA every year. In the fourth competition conducted in 2020, which countries became the champion? Which country's team became the champion? A, Japan, B, Taiwan, and C, Singapore. This, you have 10 seconds to consider. So which is the champion team of the fourth challenge? A, Japan, B, Taiwan, or C, Singapore? Please select. Now, what is the answer? Everyone please raise your answer cards. Oh, different diverse answers. Mr. Studio thinks C, Singapore, and Ms. Nikamo and Ms. Takahashi chose B, Taiwan. Are you confident with your answers? Whatever the Kikurin-san, I hope that is A. This is my hope that the answer is A. So you have a nice prize. So Mr. Furukawa, please give us the right answer and explanation.
正解は B、台湾です。参加される皆さんはプログラム作成を通して
The correct answer is B, Taiwan. Participants can enhance their skills in engineering and mathematics and also can learn the importance of teamwork. And also they will have a valuable opportunity to interact with others from around the world beyond the boundaries. And in the last years, we have a participation of over 1,600 students representing record high 30 countries and regions. Through this mission, we aim to expand the use of Kibo in the Asian region and contribute to the development of young talents. So we encourage you, the senior high school students, to take on this challenge if you are interested. So the answer is B, Taiwan. Ms. Mikamo, Ms. Takahashi, congratulations. And we see some of them as A, Japan, with their form. So I think, okay.
Now, Mr. Furukawa. Actually, please continue with question 5 about the high-precision thermophysical property measurement using an electrostatic levitation furnace or ELF.
希望の静電浮遊路の特徴で間違っているものはどれでしょうか A 酸化物を浮かせ
Which
られ
of
る
the following is an incorrect feature of Kibo's electrostatic levitation furnace? A. ELF can levitate oxides. B. ELF can obtain precise thermophysical property values such as density, surface tension, and viscosity. C. ELF cannot handle ceramics and glasses. Okay, you have 10 seconds to consider. Now, please raise your answer, Chris. Actually, you know already the content of the question has become very difficult. And the question is, what is not correct? Okay, the 10 seconds passed. And ABC, which one? Please raise your card. Wow, everybody has the same answer. C. This one cannot deal with the ceramics by glass, the C. Well, actually, I'd like to join them. Well, the focus of the ground should be kind of C, but Mr. Furukawa, please tell us the correct answer.
正解は C セラミックやガラスには対応できないです 静電浮遊路の特徴は
The correct answer is C. Cannot handle ceramics and glasses. The electrostatic levitation furnace can use static electricity to levitate experimental samples. And actually, this method eliminates the need for a container during the melting process. And actually, even the oxide and the glasses can be levitated. And the second one is, that we don't need to use containers. And actually, it can eliminate the risk of the impurities. And remarkably, it can heat substance up to 3,000 degrees Celsius, allowing observation of the material's liquid state. And actually, the C was wrong. Okay, everybody was correct. Congratulations. Some YouTube viewers said B, but actually it seems you studied a lot. Therefore, everybody made the correct answer. And
now, next question related about Mr. Furukawa. Mr. Furukawa, please give us a quiz.
私、古川が初めて宇宙飛行した年はいつでしょうか
What was the year that I, Satoshi Furukawa, flew into space for the first time? A, 2011, B, 2013, or C, 2014? Yes, you have 10 seconds to think. What is the year when Mr. Furukawa flew into space for the first time? A, 2011, B, 2013, or C, 2014? 10 seconds have passed. So please raise your answer card all at once, please. Oh, all of us answered A, 2011. That is the previous time Mr. Furukawa went to the space. What about Kikurin? So yes, I read 2 books of Mr. Furukawa, so I think this is A. So everyone gets A, so this is correct. Now, Mr. Furukawa, can you give us a right answer and explain it?
正解は A、2011年です。今回が約12年ぶりの ISS ミッションです。
The correct answer is A, 2011. So this mission marks my second mission in the ISS in about 12 years. I was surprised to see various new things, very advanced computer and performance and new equipment, and we can do new experiments and new demonstrations. And also spacecraft has changed from Soyuz to the Crew Dragon that was developed by American company. Just I will return to Earth aboard the Crew Dragon, so this return will be the first time that we will splash down into the sea. So I hope you all will watch the return through JAXA's live broadcast. Yes, the answer is A, 1211. So congratulations. That was a great lot. And also YouTube will see a lot of correct answers. Now,
the last question. 第7問は微小重力環境を活用した立体臓器創出技術の開発、スペースオルガノジェネシスに関する問題です。古川さん、出題をお願いします。
はい、この実験では人由来の iPS 細胞から作成した臓器の元となるものを宇宙に打ち上げて実験をします。その元となる臓器は何でしょうか？ A、肝臓、B、心臓、C、腎臓。
はい、このミッションでその元となる臓器を皆さん考えてください。シンキングタイムは10秒です。肝臓なのか、B、心臓なのか、C、腎臓なのかというところです。その再生技術というところで、再生能力高い臓器なんじゃないかと思いますが、はい、では皆さん正解の予想を発表していただきましょう。札を上げてください。どうぞ。分かれた。七条さんと三鴨さんは A の肝臓ではないか、高橋さんだけは腎臓という予想となっておりますが、キクリンさんはどうですか？
実験で使いやすいイメージで A ですかね。
肝臓なのではないかというところです。さあ A と C に分かれているんですけれども、古川さん、この問題の正解、そして解説の発表をお願いします。
正解は A、肝臓です。宇宙における長期安定した微小重力は細胞を3次元的に展開させるのに有利であるという仮説のもと、その宇宙環境を活用して、立体臓器創出を目指した技術開発を行います。将来の移植医療、再生医療につながることが期待されています。
はい、ということで正解は A の肝臓でした。ということで、七条さんと三鴨さん、正解おめでとうございました。
And actually, sorry, the last question was very difficult. And those are the questions made by Mr. Furukawa. And here.
Now we would like to announce who is the winner. Mr. Studio answered 5 questions correctly. Ms. Mikamo answered 7 questions. And Mr. Takahashi questioned 6 questions correctly. So the winner goes to Ms. Mikamo. Congratulations. Now we would like to, Mr. Furukawa, so please share your thoughts on the high school students and give a message to the viewers.
七条さん、三鴨さん、高橋さん、今日は参加してくださってありがとうございます。皆さん。
Mr. Studio, Ms. Mikamo, and Ms. Takahashi, thank you very much for your participation. You are really wonderful, and also the three students and also viewers are very. I hope you and the viewers to have interest in various things. I think you will get something you will really like or you love, and if you continue something, you will collide with the wall. But even if you hit the wall, please continue, and that will help. It will be helpful. So I think this year and your future will be a wonderful one for you. Mr. Furukawa, thank you very much.
Station, this is Houston ACR. That concludes the event. Thank you.
Thank you to all participants. Station, you are now resuming operational audio communication.